Good students, today we will study about square and square root. Chapter square and square root, from which some important questions is given, in which said that find root 2 up to 2 places of decimal. Find root 2 up to 2 places of decimal. Okay, student? Here, for this solution, root 2 given. Root 2 given. Okay, students? Here we determine the value of root 2 up to 2 places of decimal. Okay, student? Here 2. Make a frame of square root by this. Okay, student? It is division method. By division method. Also write here by division method. By division method. Okay, students? Here we use trial and error method. In this case, we use trial and error method. Here, in first case, write here case first. For 2, check which numbers square that value is not greater than 2, which is equal to 2 or less than 2, but not more than 2. So which number? For here we check 1 square is equal to 1 and 2 square is equal to 4. 2 square is equal to 4 is greater than 2, then this is wrong. 1 square is equal to 1 is correct. Here we write 1 into 1 square. We get 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Here 1 plus 1 make 2. Okay, student? After this, here 1. 1 is less than 2. 1 is less than 2. Then we can write here, write point here. After 1, write a decimal point. Then we get 2 0 or double 0. We write in square case, when we write point decimal, then we get a double 0 right here. Right here double 0. Thus we get 100 number. For this case second, we check which number square is equal to 100 or less than 100, not more than 100. Which number? Case second for 100. Here we write 100. 8 8 ja 16 4. 3 square 9. 3 square 9. 4 square 16 up to dot dot. 7 square 49 and multiply in this not greater than 100. Here write here in box 8 8 ja 8 square 64, then 8 2 ja 16, greater than. Here 3 square is equal to 9, 3 2 ja 6. Here 4 square is equal to 16. 4 16 and 4 2 ja 8. And here 5 square is equal to 25 and multiply here 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, which is greater than, more greater than this. Here if 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, 10 to 12, which is greater than 100. 125 is greater than 100, then it is not correct. And here 4 into 4, 4 4 ja 16 and 4 2 ja 8, 8 1 19, 96. The 96 is greater than, is less than 100, then it is suitable and it is not correct because this is more than 100. Okay student, so these types of problems we check for these values. Okay student, here write from that 4 4 ja 16, write here 4 4, 16 4 2 ja 8, 1 19. Here 9 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Here 9 minus 9 cancel. Okay then, here 4 4 8 and 28. Here point, here write 4 and after this 2 0 write 00 here because point is right here. Then we can write a 00. Here which number is square and write here and multiply this which is not greater than 400. We can write here case third. Case third for 400. Which number 28 in box, which numbers square and multiply in this which is not greater than 400. Here we get 1 square. We check for 1. 1 into 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 8 ja 8, 1 2 ja 2. Okay student, and here 28 in box 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 8 जा 16, 2 2 जा 4, 1 5, 2 2 जा 4, 2 8 जा 16, 6, carry 1, 2 2 जा 4, 1 5. Which is greater than 400, then it is not, then it is wrong for this solution. Okay, 1 is suitable for this. Here we can write 1 1 1 1 1 ja 1, 1 8 ja 1, 2 ja 10 minus 1 9. Here 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Here 1. Okay, student. And after this we write double zero. Okay, student. For case we trial case 4 for 11900 value. After this, which number square? Here write 1 1 2 and 8, and here write 282 and make box here. Which number? Write here and multiply this, which is not greater than 11,900. Okay, student. After this we solve it. Here we can 3 square, 1 square, 2 square, take 3 square. 3 square, 3 3 ja 9. Then we 2 write here box. 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 3 8 ja 24, 3 2 ja 6 2 8, which is less than 11900. After this 2 8 2 box 4, 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8, 1 9, 4 8 ja 32, 2 carry 3, 4 2 ja 8, 3 11 2 9 6, 11 2 9 6. Okay, student. After this 2 8 2 make box 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 12, 5 8 ja 40 41, carry 4, 5 2 ja 10, 10 4 14, which is greater than 11900, which is wrong. And this is also not suitable, and this is suitable. This is suitable for this solution. We can write here 4 4 11 11 2 9 6. Okay, student. Here we can write 10 minus 6 4, here 0, 8 minus 2 6, here cancel. Okay, student. Here we can write 4. Okay, student. These types of equations you can solve this by trial and error methods. Okay, student. These types of questions you can solve by this methods. Okay, student. Next problems I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student. Thank all of you.